How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing works by bringing together four parties. 1. Seller and product creators. 2. Affiliate network. 3. The affiliate or advertiser. 4. The consumer. Let's have a look at the relationship these four parties share to ensure affiliate marketing is a success. 1. Seller and product creators. The seller, whether a solo entrepreneur or large enterprise, is a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. The product can be a physical object, like household goods, or a service, like a training course. 2. The affiliate network. The role of the affiliate network is to bring together the seller and the affiliate by providing the technical infrastructure to facilitate the interaction between the seller and the affiliate and to provide the tracking of the sales and crediting of the affiliate for the sale. In most cases, the affiliate network is an independent network, but in some instances the seller may also fulfill this function. 3. The affiliate or publisher. Also known as a publisher, the affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential consumers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that it is valuable or beneficial to them and convince them to purchase the product. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. 4. The consumer. Whether the consumer knows it or not, they are the drivers of affiliate marketing. Affiliates share these products with them on social media, blogs, and websites and other media. When consumers buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profits. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commission for the sales they make recommended. Other times the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Either way, they will seldom pay more for the product purchased through affiliate marketing, as the affiliate's share of the profit is included in the retail price. The consumer will complete the purchase process and receive the product as normal, unaffected by the affiliate marketing system. That, in a nutshell, is how affiliate marketing works. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell and we'll notify you when we release new videos on how to make money online. Have a look in the description below this video to see my #1 recommendation to make money online. You'll also find a link to download my free resources ebook, listing all the tools I use on my websites and YouTube channels. It also contained 20+ pages of free tools available on the internet to assist you. And a link to the calculators I've made to determine if my products can be promoted in a profitable way, what I can afford to spend on advertising, the sales versus profit calculator, as well as a profit versus sales calculator. Leave a comment below if you would like me to make a video on a specific topic that would help you to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.